Hello and welcome to this video about full-stack disaster recovery custom scripts for Hyperion EPM system. Today, I will walk you through the scripts that can be used to manage this process effectively. All scripts are available for download on our public GitHub page. The link to the page is provided in Hyperion FSDR tutorial. There are two main groups of scripts. One is for starting and stopping EPM system services. The other one is for updating the host file on compute nodes. All scripts are available in two versions, one for Windows PowerShell and the other one is for Linux Bash. They are intended to serve as the starting point for you to create your own scripts, as adjustments will be necessary for your specific EPM deployment. The start and stop scripts are designed to automate the shutdown and startup of instances. They manage all EPM services, including Oracle HTTP server, OHS, and WebLogic server. If you have additional services running on your Hyperion compute nodes, you will need to modify these scripts accordingly. The host file update scripts automate the mapping of primary production host names to standby region IPs when switching to the standby region, and reverse these changes when switching back to the original production region. This minimizes the changes required at the application level during regional switches. The scripts consists of two main components: the script itself, so host switch failback or host switch failover, and two files, primary hosts and standby hosts. The primary hosts file contains the content from the compute node in the production system and its host file content. The standby hosts should map the original primary region host names to the IP addresses that the compute nodes will use in the standby region. These standby IP addresses can be specified in full-stack disaster recovery protection group when adding moving instance members. So in this example, as you can see, mappings for standby IP addresses have been added to link them with the production host names. The host switch failover. So this script should be used when you are switching from the production region to the standby region, and it will update the host file in the standby region with the content from the standby hosts file. The host switch failback. This script should be used when you are switching back from the standby region to the original primary region, and it will revert changes done in the host file and restore the original host file from the production side using the content from primary hosts file. By using these scripts, you can streamline the disaster recovery process, ensuring minimal disruption and efficient management of your EPM system services and host file configuration. Thank you for watching.